Hi everyone, Mike from Clenergy again. This time I'm going to be taking you guys through what's in the box. So, I know a lot of companies out there talk about a turnkey solution and they talk about kits. Now, when we talk about a kit, we're talking about a full turnkey solution, where we are actually selling you every component that you would require to complete your installation. What I mean by that is, well, let's see what's inside the box. This is typically speaking a 4-panel corrugated kit. So if you had to order one of our kits, you would receive a box like this with your 4 rail components to follow. Now, what's inside the box? As you'll see, everything is packed individually, all nice and neatly. Here you've got your corrugated interfaces, your earthing plates, your mid clamps, your end clamps, your dual-tin interface with new screws, so you guys don't have to worry about recycling those old screws anymore. We provide you with your rail clamp. This is in order for you to clip onto your actual rail component, your cable management clips, and then last but not least, your earthing lugs or grounding lugs. Now that's typically what comes in a 4-panel corrugated kit. Now what I'm going to show you guys, just so you know I'm not talking rubbish, is what's in the box on a 4-panel tile kit. Now if we go through to our 4-panel tile kit, you'll see on all of our kits we provide you with a nice little QR code here. What this does is this links you to your installation guides right at the tip of your hand. So any installer with a smartphone can scan this now and have his full install guide at the tip of his finger without having to pester or worry about running around to find out how. If we open up our 4-panel kit here, you guys will see everything comes really nice and neatly packed and packaged for you. You've got your new roof screws, you've got your mid clamps, your cable clips, your earthing plates, your grounding lugs, your end clamps, and last but not least, all of your tile hooks, which are made out of 304 stainless steel. They are solid, they're not going anywhere. Thanks guys.